Hey, this is Jeff, and we are here with USP Pro. In this video, we will look at how to create a combination form or a combo form that does two things, submits posts and sends email. So it will be a combo contact / post submission form. So let's get started. Here we have USP Pro installed and activated, so we are ready to go. Now we head over to USP Forms and click Add New, and we give the form a name, and we'll call it Combo Submit Post and Send Email, or more clearly, Contact Form. Submit Post and Contact Form, we click Publish, and now we can begin building our form. The best way to do this is to go to Plugin Planet and find the tutorial, which we can do by entering queries such as submit content, send email. Click search, and here is the first result here. This is a tutorial that explains what we need to do. So the first step is adding the hidden fields to the form, and they can be added anywhere in the form, either at the top or at the bottom. It does not matter. I like to add them at the bottom of the form and then add my fields up top here. So this first hidden field has a value of USP is post submit, and that means that the form will be a post submission form. We also add USP is contact, which makes the form also a contact form. So the plugin will know that this form should be treated as a post submission form and a contact form. If we just wanted to make a post submission form, we can omit both of these, or if we just want to make a contact form, we can omit this. And we see how to make either of those types of forms in previous videos, so I invite you to check those out. But again, now we are making a combo form that submits posts and also sends an email. So let's return to the tutorial. And it says here that we need to also add these other fields because they are required. The email field, for example, is required for sending email. The name field is required for submitting posts. And also the title and content field are required for submitting posts. So we need to make sure that we have the email, name, title, and content field in our combo form. If we scroll down a bit, we can see that this is all provided for us, so we can simply copy and paste. So let's replace this. And now we have a complete combo form ready to go. We can click Update, and let's take a quick look. We have our email, subject field, name, title, and content. And as before, we have our two hidden fields. So now that we've updated the post, we can go to the USP Forms screen and copy the shortcode. Head over to a poster page. Let's replace that with our new shortcode for our new combo form. And we click Update, and let's view the page on the front end. And here is our combo form ready to go. Users can now enter their email address and other details and submit their post. And at the same time they submit their post, they will also send you an email. And the email will contain the information that you have specified in the plugin settings. So really quickly, I want to remind you that the email field and the name field are auto-populated with the user name and email when the user is logged in. We're logged in right now, so that information is pre-filled. If we were to log out, then the form would look like this. But we're logged in, so it looks like that. And everything is a little bit easier for the user. So now let's go back to USP Forms, and for our combo form, and now I want to point out that we can add some attributes to these fields. And to get a list of attributes, we can go to Plugin Planet and scroll down to USP Pro, where we see the shortcodes. And this lists all of the shortcodes and the attributes that may be used with each of them. So for example, the name field accepts all of these attributes. Let's go ahead and add one. Let's say that we want to limit the maximum number of characters that can be used for the name field. We can paste that into place and then give it a number like 50, and now the name field will be limited to 50 characters or less. Another example, we can add a custom label. If we wanted to call the name field something else, we can be creative. And also we can add these and other attributes to these other fields here. So the attributes really make USP Pro flexible and powerful because they can be used to customize the fields and dial them in however is needed to create the perfect form. So that's pretty much it. We've just created a combo post submit and contact form and displayed it on the front end. So that does it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.